Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring two different approaches to drawing a flower. A simple, plain drawing, and a creative, fun, doodle-style drawing. We'll break it down step by step, so whether you're a beginner or just looking to try something new, this video is for you. First, we're going to sketch the basic shape of the flower. I'll start with the plain version. Use a light pencil to draw a simple flower shape. Flower done now. Step 2. Adding color to the plain drawing. Let's add some color to the plain flowers. Keep the colors soft and smooth. Step 3. Adding doodle lines and details. And the final result is ready. Do comment which is better, plain one or doodle one. If you liked the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.